Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie, and today we're going to do the fashion beads. This is what we're going to do next. The last time we made a video is the necklace activity, Disney Princess necklace activity, and this one is also a DIY. We're going to make our own jewelry designs. So let's start. What do we have here? We do have, let's see from the box. Includes designer charms. Let's read. Designer's charms, pearl beads, colorful accent beads, and elastic cording. Okay, so new go make and design cool. Okay, this is a fashion beads, a DIY jewelry design. Okay, let's do it. Open. Let's see. Okay, let's open. I already did open this one. Oh, be careful because the plastic tray is flimsy. See? But we do have a plastic cover that covers the beads. We just have to be careful. Okay, there we have it. Oh, we do have not a lot, but I thought there's a lot beads inside this covered box, but what we see outside is the same here. There's no extension of other beads covering or hiding from the covered box, but no, this is what we got, what is on the display. When there we have the same numbers. So let's see if it says how many beads we got. No, not like the Disney. The box description, we do have like 150 charms. This one, I don't know how many, but let's count. Let's open first, just to make sure that we really... Oh, the box is kind of flimsy. The tray and the cover. So when you open this, be careful, okay? And there's a stopper in between the... I guess that is make the cover hard to open. There's an edge here, like to hold this cover. You see, closer look, you have edges here, so it will really secure the cover, the plastic tray. See this one. So it's important, though. It's what we call this kind of plastic, flimsy. Let's do it. This is the cording. This is an elastic cording, a very thin. Let's see if it's recording. It is. So this is a plastic cording, a rubber. If I'm right, yes, we have elastic cording, rather. Elastic cording. It is a lot thinner than the necklace activity that we got from the last video. I will also pin that on the description box. So let's count. We'll be fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 75. We have 175 beads, and then including this, we don't have a scissor, so it's not included. Anyway, I have one here, so let's do it. Look at this. I'll give you a closer look. This is so looking cutie. We have this roses, rather. We have purple, pink, rose, and red and yellow green. We have this beautiful roses. Take a closer look. Yeah. And this is like party bowl. Yeah. And this is shell. We have 3 shells, charm, and this circle. Candy. We have this candies and star, of course. We have 2 color of stars. We have different color of UFO beads. I can't see it, but it's wooden, I guess. Looks like wooden. And pearl and marbles, different colors. We have flowers and this cute stone, different. It's like crystal. Look. And this round, colorful beads. And another flower. This is daisies. Okay, this is a different. I don't know if this is daisies. This one is definitely daisies. Now we have this smaller round beads. Circle. Yes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let me count again. 13 gorgeous, beautiful beads. So that's 175 pieces. Okay, let's do bracelet. Okay, let's see how long is this. I really want to know how long is my table. 120 cm. So we have 420 of this cm. So let's do it. It's a long cording. So there's a lot of jewelry. We can make lots of jewelry. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. We don't have like a needle, not like needle, but you know, it's better to have something. Let's try it on. I'll do it this long. We don't have a lock like the necklace activity of Disney princess, but this one we don't have a lock. So what I'm gonna do is just going to make a lock at the end. But what I'm gonna do is just tie it like this. Make sure that it's not overlapping, like this, so it will hold. Just make it just double the tie like this. Wait, I'm trying to save a lot of cording. Then we have a beautiful jewelry bracelet. Just cut the excess. Careful when using the scissor, but I have this kind of like it's a lock, right? Then let's use it. I have to make a bigger bracelet. Make sure it's tight like this, and we have a beautiful, gorgeous bracelet that we make. And I had fun making this, and we can make another different style, but we cannot reuse it and make a charm out of this. Well, you can, but you have to cut this and remove the beads and get another cording, and it's a waste. So for me it's a waste. Make sure that you use this wisely, and well, it's your decision how you be creative in what you want to do with these charms, these beads. Okay, let's do another one. And this time I'm going to make a longer cord. This. And let's cut this. Wait, let me check it again. Okay, that's enough. And I want the candy. So this one. And this. It's like candies, right? And do it again. Tie it like this. And again. Now we have a lock. See? And let's start. Don't have to worry if you're gonna fall on the other side or other end, because we already tied this. This is the lock. And let's do yellow. Finally, I have to add another bead. I have to stretch it a little. And this cute pink candy beads. Yay! We have, finally, we can insert it from here if you wanted to make it as a lock. See, just be careful. I have to do, see? Okay, we did insert, and that is to secure the beads. Then lock. It is better. The technique that we make on this is better. We need to cut this, the excess. Be careful when using the scissors. Ask for an adult to assist you. And we have this beautiful candy bracelet. Let's try. Cute, beautiful, I like it. And this flower. See, now we have excess. What we have to do is do it like this. If just watch it again on how I did this, so this one will not gonna intrude like this or poke, but it's okay. It's a lock, but this one is better. Beautiful, right? Not because I made this, but if you like it, hit the like button. We can actually make another one if you want it, like the under the sea. And let's make a smaller one. Then let's do it. Let's insert it here. Where is it? Here, right? From the other end. Okay, and close it. Yes, we did. Look at this. See? It looks good, right? It doesn't look like this. The first try. Second try and third try, it looks neat. Again, now we have 3 beautiful bracelets, but this one is smaller. This is a necklace for a doll. Review time. What I think about this is that the cording, the rubber cording is thin. Maybe this is how it made. This is what it should be, and it's Well, since it cannot hold or stand like the other, I'll make a comparison of this. This necklace, they call it necklace, but this is also a cording. It's thick, and this is thin and soft, but it's okay because it is longer, and this is a different style, different DIY fashion jewelry design. And also we have more beads here in 13 designs. It's like really different, unique designs. And we do have a bigger beads and smaller beads combination. And we do have flowers, candies, and under the sea wish charm. This is charm actually. It's still a beads, but charm because this is what you connect with the beads, like the one that hanging. You know what I mean about the charm? Okay. So charm, we do have the bigger beads, like 1, 2, 3, and 4 charms. And these are the smaller beads and the bigger medium beads and large beads, and different colors, different style. So that is a good thing for me. One more thing, we also do have different colors because of this crystal thing and this marble. Yeah, they're all marbles. We have pearls, and we have this big marble thing, circle. We have a lot of design to choose from. That's what I see about this. But we have to adjust more when we're getting the length that we want from the bracelet. Make sure, or necklace, make sure to have at least 3 inches or more. So just to make sure that it will fit in you or to your children or to your niece. Okay, that's it. I hope you like our activity for today. So it's me, Callie, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next. Bye.